Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable the blue light filter on Windows to save your eyes. It's a very useful feature and it's pretty simple to enable. Let's get started. First click the Start Window button, then open the Settings, and in Settings choose System Settings, and next open the Display Settings. We can turn on the night light here, turn on it, or we can open the night light settings. Here we can edit the strength of night light, and also we can use a schedule for night light. Turn on it, it's very convenient. You can set hours, turn on from 9 p.m. for example, and turn off from 7 a.m. Or you can change these hours if you want. To turn off the night light manually, click on Turn Off Now button. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you next time.